So my tripod for animating just broke. So let's fix it. Ooh, this looks good. Dude, what the heck are these? And who even has these? These don't even look like Lego. How am I going to find these pieces in this when I sorted by color? Ouch. So that's why I made this. It can be a phone stand. Oh, that's not what you wanted? Just move these few pieces around. Pop these tires in, and voila! You now have your very own phone holder tripod stand thing for stop motion, or whatever you want. These instructions will be for the iPhone 7 Plus and a small case, so you may need to adjust these to fit your phone. First find out how many studs long your phone is, then add 2 more. That's how long your phone holder will be. If you don't need the instructions, you can just watch this satisfying speed build. And that's it. Let's see how our phone fits. I said,